Alright guys, let's finish up our problem. So let's talk about our plan for this one. Now I already gave you kind of a little hint, especially even up here, saying that our first step is going to have to be to find the total amount for their income. So to find their income, we need to add Saturday and Sunday. So we're going to put this in parentheses because when you put something in parentheses, that's like saying this is my first step. Take a look at this, okay? So parentheses are important. Parentheses are your first step. So we're going to write $10.50 plus $7.75. That will tell me the income. Now the expenses is what I spent on supplies, so they have to pay me back. So they are going to subtract $4.27, and that's going to equal profit, and I'm going to put a P for profit. So to put that in a strip diagram, remember when you're adding in a strip diagram, the two numbers, they go together on the line. All right, so 10.50 and 7.75 belong together because you're putting them together. I'm going to subtract $4.27 from that. It's like maybe half of the 10 almost. So $4.27 here. And then we're going to be left with this whole amount right here. That is their profits. All right, so let's solve that. Now, I'm going to turn my journal sideways because that's a strategy we talked about when we were dealing with our decimals. All right, we can use these to help us line them up. And I'm going to say $10.50 plus, 7's got to go in your ones place, and 75 cents. All right, so 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 5, let's see, that'd be 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, I still use my fingers. That's okay. So your 2 goes there. 1 goes over here in your ones place. Bring down your decimal. 7 plus 1 gives me 8. All right, so their total income was $18.25, but now they've got to pay me back with the expenses that I spent on their supplies. So let's see if I have enough room. Barely. I'm going to draw a line here to kind of separate it. All right, so $18.25. And I'm going to take away $4.27. So I'm going to subtract it. Well, if I have 5, you cannot take away 7, so I have to borrow, make that a 1, bring that group of 10 over, make that 15. 15 take away 7, that equals 8. Uh-oh. If I have 1, I can't take 2 away from it. So I'm going to go over here to my ones place. Make that a 7. Bring my group of 10 over here. That becomes 11. 11 take away 2 gives me 9. Bring down my decimal. 7 take away 4 is 3. And then bring down my 1. So their total profit was $13.98. Now, I need to justify that answer. And why did I add and why did I subtract? Okay, there's got to be a justification behind it. So, I added because, remember my little shortcut there, the word and, because the word and I also, that sounds weird, and I also needed the total income. Okay? I subtracted because they needed to pay back your mom for expenses. All right, guys, we will have a new problem tomorrow. If you didn't get this or you missed something, make sure to fix it so you have it for Friday's quiz and you can use your notes.